To create a spec from scratch, go into your spec window in the project and click the New button. Select Create, and then tell the system what spec code you'd like to use. Ensure you have the two fields with the stars filled in so that you can save the spec. Then on the Details tab, scroll down, assign your classifications and category, input your attribute information, select a vendor and a rep, and assign your areas and quantities. You can select either option 1 or option 2. If you want to select quantities by area, select option 2 and then add your areas. You can also select a designer approval. And this, along with these classifications, can be set up by default in your global settings. Then go down the tabs, fill in your price, add your images into the spec by clicking Select Files. You can attach documents and drawings in the Documents tab. You can link different specs to this parent spec in the Linked Specs tab. You can assign instructions, and I'll show you where to set up these locked instructions in the global settings. You can also assign issue and revision dates right here in the spec window, and you can assign a stage.